free training. In this course, I'm going to show you how I scale to six-figure months and the exact blueprint that I will follow if I wanted to hit my first $10,000 per month and I wanted to do it in an hour a day. Now, before we continue, let's answer the most important question, which is, why should you be even listening to me? So I'm going to show you some of my results and a little bit of my experience. So I was able to go from 0 to six-figure months in less than 4 years. I tried just about everything. My first 2 years, I didn't make any money. Year 3 and year 4 is when I really hit it. I found what works and what doesn't work. I've also personally worked with almost 300 traders starting from scratch, not know anything about trading, and traders that have traded 10, 20 years, even traders that have traded in the pits in Wall Street, and I've helped them develop their skills. So I've seen patterns across traders of all different backgrounds and skill levels, and I've seen what works and what doesn't work. So just to show you a little bit of my results here, I am connected to NinjaTrader, which is a platform that I use. I am connected to my personal account, and here I have the performance metrics. On the left side, you can see which accounts are selected. So you can see this is not simulation, this is a real account. Halfway through the month, I'm already up $99,000 in profit. And if we look at the previous month here, I ended the previous month at $101,000 in profit. Now, one thing is me being able to get results for myself, which, by the way, my results are not typical. Most traders don't get to $100,000 per month, and I definitely don't promise or guarantee that that's going to be you. However, I've been able to transfer the skills to other people within my group who have also been able to make money with this. I have people making anywhere from 5K per month, 10K, all the way to 40 and 50K per month. And if you're curious to hear some of the stories from people that I've worked with, I got Jake here who scaled to 50K per month in under 12 months. I got Ian who scaled to 19K per month in less than 6 months. And I got Kyle who's now working with me, who's had incredible performance trading the profits. So I'll make sure to link those below this video so you can watch those interviews if you like. So what you're going to get in this course, I'm going to give you the blueprint of exactly what I would do if I was starting from scratch and I wanted to get to $10,000 per month and I wanted to do it in an hour a day. I'm going to give you one of my best and easiest trades. That is going to be the EMT or the easy money trade. And then I'm going to show you how to scale without having to spend all day at the charts. Now, the way the course is going to be laid out, the first part, you're going to learn what exactly to trade. Out of all the instruments, where exactly should you be focusing so you can get the results that you're looking for. Then I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to be finding opportunities. And specifically, I'm going to show you how to find the EMT. Then I'm going to show you how to manage risk. This is probably one of the most important things because what I tell my clients, you're going to learn how to make money. The key is keeping the money. Then I'm going to show you how you can take what's already working and take it to the next level, how to 10x what you're doing. And lastly, I'm going to put a bow to it and I'll show you the step-by-step blueprint and the math behind getting to $10,000 per month.